pleasure, mga Madam Love. So I have Goyard bags here and I am excited to show you because these are the limited editions of Goyard. We're going to open first the Beluga. This is the Beluga bags, mga Madam, and this one is the mini. This was released April 2025 this year. So this one was pre-launched and isa tayo sa mga unang nakakuha at I am very happy to my Madam kasi ito yung makukuha niya. It's her favorite color for Goyard bags. And the Beluga history, noong 1970s po, nung uso ang mode of transportation by sea, yung Beluga foldable bag na malaki, yun po yung laging ginagamit ng mga sailor. And they made a re-edition of this mini bag ngayon. And of course, syempre, it's 2025. Ganito na ang kanyang itsura. So, most likely, laging pang sling bag. Lagi na lang may order ang aking mga Madam. These are the Boheme bags. And thank you so much kasi lagi nyo talaga siyang in-order, mga Madam. Pang walong review ko na for this Boheme. Laging meron talagang Boheme. Of course, this one is the lightest among luxury goods, yung Goyard, mga Madam. Kaya siguro favorite ng mga Madam for their everyday bag, itong Boheme. Kasi nga, meron na ho siyang ganito and then nasa shoulder lang siya. This one is a perfect mommy bag. And now, I am very happy to showcase this Sunlouis Inside Out color pink. This one is the herbarium of yesteryears. So, this is the limited edition of 2025. So, sa mga umorder po ng first quarter, yung inyo pong mga papel is this one, yung herbarium of yesteryear. So, ito po yung design niya and it comes in two colors, pink and blue. So, napakaswerte kasi pink ang nakuha ko para kay Madam. And she's the one who purchased the Neverpool Inside Out also. When she saw this on my live, talagang mine agad. I am very happy for her kasi this one is the limited edition of the year 2025. For inquiries, mga Madam Loves and Bossing, nandito po ang inyong lingkod sa Lupalot na Mundo. Anytime, anywhere. Brand new and fresh from the store. Kayo po ang pipili ng inyong design, ng inyong color, dahil your happiness is our success.